Just made it through this steep little cliff here and that tangly forest up there where I left my bike and a whole bunch of brambles hidden off the trail down to this secretive stretch of Wildcat Creek. I surmise no one really gets to this point here. It's remote. It's sandwiched in between the Kensington Hills up there, Berkeley Hills, and it flows free and wild through this beautiful stretch, almost its whole 11-mile stretch too. It's Debouchement in San Francisco Bay. Can you hear the humming? There's a massive beehive around here somewhere. Listen. Cannot see, but you can hear it. You're truly lost down here. It's a remote nook. There's no GPS coordinates to plug in. And you're so close to civilization, but a million miles away, really. You could die here and somebody might not find you. And you just come to these stretches where you have to wade through. There's no other way through. Whew. Sunk up to my upper thighs. Sinking deep in mud. It's a very nice way to explore the creek. And look what it's around this bend. How incredibly beautiful is that? How incredibly beautiful is that? Wow. Those could be grosbeaks, black-headed grosbeaks. I saw a couple of them. My first sighting ever of the beautiful bird. Here I am in this beautiful stretch of hidden Wildcat Creek. It's kind of like a jungle creek in some ways. It's lush, it's overgrown, it's lazy, it puddles, abundant wildlife. It's a gem, a treasure of a resource. Beautiful bend. Just very beautiful. The way the creek just snakes around back into there. Wildcat Creek, one of a kind. See what I mean about a jungle creek? I was just sunbathing on this beautiful sandbar in the sun over here, just listening to the birds, just in a daze in this wonderland. Making my way back now. I've come up maybe, I don't know, 200 yards. Beautiful forest with old venerable trees.